Hello? What are you doing in our house? Yes, he's okay. Don't worry. He just seems confused. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me your name? Look, man. If you won't talk, I'm calling the police. You can't just barge into someone's house like this. Are you hurt? Do you need any help?
Honey, what's going on?
I don't know. This man told me that he was here in our house. They thought him up. I don't know.
Michael! What?
I mean, my name. It's Michael. I'm Michael. You asked me that before.
Daddy, Michael kind of sounds like you.
Excuse me, just what are you doing in our house? The sun's about to go down. I don't think you should be here.
Yeah, I was just saying that. You look a little bit roughed up. What happened to you?
I don't know. I can't remember. I'm sorry, but I just don't know.
Michael, pick it up. The boy is Dad. Dad, can you help Michael? Michael is coming in with his dad when he's outside.
I guess. Can you stand?
I think so. A bit. I just feel a bit dizzy. Yes, dizzy.
Come on, man. Let me help you up.
After that, Dad carried the stranger to our guest room. He thanked me for convincing my parents to let him rest in our house for a night, or at least while he collected his thoughts. After that, Mom put me in bed. I can't remember much about Michael, but I knew he wasn't a bad person, or at least he didn't look, dangerous. I was young, so I guess I just didn't know any better. Certainly didn't know what a burglar was, that's for sure. Not that I was implying he was. I'd never talked to him again after that. Well, except for when the storm happened. That's when I woke up on my bed, and I saw them.
Press spacebar to stand up or sit down. Press eik tu nacha. Pirmas dalyks, aš vos suprantu, ką čia man saka. Trečias dalyks, nemoku skaičiuoti. Ne trečias, va dabar trečias dalyks, aš nieką nacha neatsiminsiu. Davai, bandom laim. Aš jau viską užmiršau.
Hello, Nick? Hey, little Nicky, it's me, Michael. And hey, don't say anything back to me, okay? There are monsters around that'll hear you if you do. Now, don't be scared, Nick, okay? Listen to me, and we can defeat those monsters, all right? Okay, so these monsters might look, surreal. Don't look at them too long, or you'll feel weird and see creepy things. When you do, turn on your desk lamp next to your bed. You'll feel safe there. The more you stare at the scary monsters, the worse you'll feel, all right? Okay, first things first. Freddy, the fuzzy brown bear. He's at the window, Nick. He'll peek inside. Close your curtains and keep them closed until you hear him leave, or else he'll get inside. Then there's Bonnie, the ill-tempered big purple bunny. Keep an eye on your door. He'll be there. He's not shy at all. He'll knock on the door to let you know he's there. Once he opens the door, shut off the lights as fast as you can, Nicky. He can't see you well in the dark, and he'll leave. But make sure you're sitting down when you do that, all right? Okay, then there's the chicken. That one's a little bit weird. Check the closets often. If she's peeking through, make sure to disable the lights. She doesn't want to be seen, but ignoring her doesn't help either. If she does catch you with the lights on, she'll scare you and stun you. Now look, I know this is a lot to take in, little Nicky, okay? Just listen carefully and try to remember it all, please, okay? All Alright, last is Foxy. He'll be right beneath your bed, Nick. You'll hear scraping to the bottom of the crib when he's there. Be watchful if you see his hook on the back of your bed, because soon enough he'll be right there next to the bed. Don't look directly at him, Nick. Instead, pretend to sleep. Alright, just pretend to sleep. Yeah, just lie down without moving too much. Look up and close your eyes. Foxy sees eyes as if they're big, bright spotlights, okay? So if you pretend to sleep, he won't know you're there anymore. But don't open them until you know he's gone, okay? Okay, so to recap, Freddy is at the window, so if you see him peeking, close the curtains until he's gone. Bonnie will knock on the door and open it afterwards. Disable the lights and sit down until he leaves. Chica will try to stun you by scaring you, so if you see her peeking through the closet, shut off your lights and don't pretend to sleep. She'll think you're gone. And Foxy will appear under your crib and move upwards, so when he's next to your bed, pretend to sleep until you hear him leave. Alright, you got all that?
Ne.
Alright, good. Hang in there. They'll leave at 6 a.m., I'm sure of it.
Agi, viską, ką jis sakė, aš jau užmiršau, tai pochu, bandom laimį. Čia bus kažkas, ne? O. Kas šlapenkė padėjo ant mano langą? Dėl ne šlapenkė. Čia daryti. Kiek aš atsimenu, ir Bonis kažkoks, kuris belčiasi duris, aha, ir, tipo, man išjungt šviesą ir atsisėst. Ir ta gaidys, kakariekas, čia spintui kračkį marin, ir išjungt šviesą ir žiūrėti jį. Ir šis uždarytų šoltas, kai jis ateis. Nu, tą nereikia. Aš žinok, taip apie tave šneku. Taip apie tave. Ir kažkoks dėdė man po lovą. Aš užmiršiu jo fucking vardą, na. Kažkoks ant dėdė ir man po lovą. Pala. Pasižiūrė, ne? Ne, bet kažkas kis atėjo. Ai. Šitas kakariekas. O! Šviesa gal jums. Žodžiu, ir kažkoks dar dėdė man po lovą. Ne tu tas dėdė, blėt, atsipisk. Man po lovą, karačiai, ir jeigu... Jeigu, karačiai, kažką ten pamatysiu, sakė, man atsigult ir užmerkt akis, išjungia šviesą. Ai, va, jis paperčia ir aš išeinu. Čista. O. Galite pisti nahui. Ačiū. O. Ar jūs galite atsipisti nuo manęs? Man prašyčiau ramybės. Daryk duris. Tas tūkstančio duris. Ponė. Čia žinokit privati valda. Aš iškviesiu Veriką. Kurva. Blet. Blet. O. Ne. Neleidžiu. Aš mamai pasiskusiu. Naisiu pasiskusiu. Eikite nahui. Ne. Ne. Labas. Visą giminę. Įvidėjau. Einu mėgoti. Jung šviesa. O. Kuo tai su raudonai šviečia? O, labas. O. Šie. Kas ten, jam tai... Jisai nebepaperdė, jam trydavį paleido. O. Bliat. Kiek? 4 ryto. Taip, 4 ryto, bliat. Tas negali patikėtis, net norėjo pro langą pažiūrėti laikrodį. Čia palikausiu. Kas man vyks? Kas? Iš kur? Nebesimuiskit, jūs blėt ant palovą. Lipkit ant lovos. Pas mane ant lovos nori. Žinok, aš tau patariu biškį vietas. Ateik. Ne tau. Ir ne tau už nugaros. O kurva. Ha. Angelai welcome, kurva sako, na, tu į blėt, aš buchu, kur čia lovas įdžiu. Ten вообще subinin juoda, nahui. O ten juoda? Ne. Leiskis. Visi susirinka. Palauk. Kas man čia vyks? Kas? Kas man vyksta? Aš nebenoriu. Aš nebenoriu. Alio? Блядь, į minkštesnę lovą įlipau. Aš nebesupratau, aš numeriu atsikeliu minkštesnį lovą ir laimėjau. Nu ką, zaibys? Nu lovą laimėjau. Eik tu na. Nu gerai, žodžiu, pasižiūrėsim, kaip bus man antrą naktį. Labai šiku, labai bijau. Ir labai laukiu per tą pačią. Pasimatysime kitą kartą. Visą. Gerai, aš jau normaliai pasitengsiu skaupti. Dėl to, nes šeštas sykis, kiek aš jau šitą pirmą levelį žaidžiu, mane biškis zaibal. Tai jo. Nu, taip irgi būna.